Within the home page and available at all times within the box is our help section. Our help section is located on the top right of our Smartbox solution within the question mark area. When selecting the help section, it will open up a small box in the bottom right. Depending on what screen you may be on, the suggested articles should indicate exactly what you are looking for. For example, if you are on the bulk redaction page, if you select help, the suggested articles will be related to the bulk redaction. If you select one of these articles, it will open a small window indicating what exactly you are looking for. It can give lots of data within the small window, as seen here. If this window is not enough, you can select the box with an arrow, which will open up our support site. In our support center, you have access to hundreds of knowledge-based articles which give lots of information regarding account setup, resources, data management, culling data, etc., etc. We also have the option to submit tickets on this page. We also have the ability to join discussions and forums for tips and tricks and any updates that we may release regarding Smartbox. And our our homepage for the support center has search terms for you to be able to search particular areas within the Smartbox solution in where the tool can be of assistance. We also have an FAQ for any frequently asked questions. And if you have a question that has not been listed within the FAQ, just please select submit a ticket and we will always be happy to help. We have a dedicated IT support team which should be able to reach out to you fairly quickly upon submission of a ticket. You can also submit a ticket via the help option in the bottom right by selecting contact us, which would automatically open up a small window for a small form for you to fill in, which will allow you to send a ticket directly to the Smartbox team.